Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got an unboxing video from, I'm not sure if you can see that, from Rancho Caps. Alright, let's get into it, shall we not? I've ordered 3 hats, right? Oh, 4 hats, my bad, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna see if all 4 of them are here, or if they're gonna send like 2 by 2, 1 by 1. Hats. I kind of don't have a knife with me right now, so I'm just gonna open it up like this. Oh no, the ink's gonna spill out. Dang it, this is my favorite pen. How do you open it? Oh, it's got more.
No, you're gonna break that too.
Alright.
You're gonna break that.
We got some teeth now. Supposed to put it in my mouthpiece during the football season, but I kind of got mad because I'm my coach and I slammed my helmet against the wall, and this flew off my mouthpiece and I lost a little clip. So, yeah. No, this does it a lot better than a pen. Wow. Wait, is it even cutting it? Yeah, it is. There we go. There's gonna be more on the other side. No. That's it. Dang, what the hell? They really know how to close their boxes. Okay, here are the caps. Let's dig in, shall we? First up, I have Texas Rancho 2017 caps. I have this one already. Let's give it a go.
Hey, I'm supposed to try them on.
Oh yeah, the other 3 are right. Shit. Well, I can't try this one. This one's not
Try
mine.
that. ¿Está cabezón de niño? ¿Está cabezón de niño?
Look how I had it. Alright, and then these 3 are mine. Who is that one for?
Dad.
That one's for my dad?
For your cuñado.
No, it's for me. I don't have a cuñado.
Anyway.
Yeah. So they're for me, by default. Sucks to suck, bitch. Okay.
Hey, pero eso es para tu cuñado.
This one's mine. You know, I don't have a cuñado. I got this one.
That's pretty fucking dope. What that? It's dope.
Yeah. And then, I gotta say, wait, what the?
One's for you and one's for your girlfriend.
Why you gonna wear nights and hats?
Try it on.
Alright guys, and the next one is, we got mostly black with gold coloring. And what I just noticed about it, I'm not sure if it's on all of them. Yeah, it's on all of them. On the side, they have Rancho, and I'm guessing that's for Rancho Caps. With their little tag, established 2017.
Try it on.
Okay, and it says, it's not a brand, it's a lifestyle. Visit us at ranchocaps.com. Right here. The link will be in the description for them. If you guys want to go check out their caps. Alright. Let me fix this one, because I don't got that big of a head. This is their cap. Yeah, I can rock this. Right. So the packaging came in this like large Ziploc bag, you know. So like, in case you need a large Ziploc bag, so let's say it starts smoking right next to you. I don't know about you guys, but that gives me a headache. So, you know, just It's perfect for
What
that.
the fuck are you doing?
Oh, I'm telling them, it comes with the large Ziploc bag, so like if someone starts smoking right next to you,
You didn't try on Jonathan's hat.
it's the same shit.
Try it on the other one.
So
No.
we got a red one.
That's Alexander's.
He ain't getting shit. So I got this red one. I got
the
my
blue one?
dad's. Oh shit, this one's tight.
What's that? Says no one. Vanilla?
Yeah, and then I got mine. But I got 2 of these, so I'll be doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers. You guys get a free Rancho cap.
That's for Jonathan Villar Castillo.
So yeah, this was gonna be for my just this cuñado, but like she doesn't have a cuñado anymore, so you guys are lucky. I'll be giving away one of these 2. You guys pick which one you guys want. If you wouldn't, alright, but that's only at 500 subscribers. Oh no, I dropped it. So, in overall, I think it looks like a good company. It is a good company,
It's
and I'm
your
not just
cousin's
being,
company.
I'm just not being biased because it's my cousin's company, but I like the company. I'll be rocking these hats. Well, touch me my other hat, please.
You have some on your neck.
What? What? Alright, hasta para allá. You can't come out. No. Stop it. I've been
You got my
wearing this hat.
marks on your finger.
Ew, no I didn't. I'm hungry. I've been rocking out with this hat, you know. I'm rocking it. Not sure.
No, walk up!
I've been wearing it like this too, you know.
I just broke the hats!
Get off of! Oh my god, are you okay? Move, my hands. The price is gonna go down since you touched them now.
Se quebraron. I fell completely on them.
No, they're good. So clearly they're durable. That's the other prop right there.
150 pounds, guys.
Alright, so yeah, I'll be giving away one of these 2. Well, yeah, one of these 2 and this one for the winner. The winner gets to pick these or not. So yeah, if you guys win, I'll personally autograph them myself for you guys too. Give you guys a nice autograph. Thank you for tuning in. Till next time.